I'm going to install the water pump. The water pump in. Two pipe right here. Okay, and this one the gaskets, water pump gaskets. Okay. So make sure before you install it, you put silicone in here a little bit. If you got a new ring, it's okay. But if you don't have a real ring, I put the silicone gasket silicone. So I can put around here. One this side, one this side. I'm going inside first, and one this side, and go outside. And inside here, you can. I don't know. You see the hole in there? Yeah. So, but let me show you the hole. Two holes in there. Okay. See the hole in there? Two holes there. One big one and one small one. You see that one? So you have to use the small one on this side and the big one on another side. So you have to use that one come out first. Put the silicone. All right. Let me do it. Okay. First, I'm going to go ahead and get the gaskets here. Gasket, I guess, water pump gaskets. This one right there. Okay, so the best we go like this. Put a little bit silicone on this side so I can hold it. So right in this side, okay, not on the right, the hole. A little bit silicone like that. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. This is the correct one. There you go. Put this one whole a little bit. Okay. Keep that one hold it straight. In here. Okay, M62. See that? Put the silicone like this. Okay. So just put around. You just put around there. So put around here to make sure they have correct one, so it's not gonna leak. Even you had an O-ring, okay? Even you had an O-ring, but you had to use this one. All right, one. I got the big one first, and this one is small one. Okay. That one working. All right, so I'm going to hit in there the small one and the big one. You can see this one. I hit in there and twist it, then they seal it. Inside they had the O-ring already, but you put in there, then twist it. Okay. Let me go ahead and put in and show you. Okay, you see that? Put in there. Okay, and then turn it like this. You may go inside. You see this one hole like this, and one more hole like this. Twist a little bit. Make sure they tight it. So the seal they go tight like this. Okay, this one same. Okay, now you put the silicone in here and here, and put the water pump in. All right, let me put the silicone in. Silicone here a little bit. Like this. See gaskets. This is gaskets. In case you had a O-ring get old, so this one we help you to hold it tight a little bit. Okay, so make sure you clean it before you install inside. So this one right here. Yeah, put that. Not nice, but try my best. I'm gonna head clean up that one. Like this, okay. surround this right here. Oh, you also, you can do that. Make sure this so they not go in the holes. They go to the hole, that means they block the cooling. That's not in here, okay? Outside is okay, but not inside. Alright. Okay, we good? Now, I gotta install water pump. Water pump right here. Okay. Make sure before that, gasket here, good. So, make sure both they go in that position. Okay, one hole, small one, big one, and small one. Alright. Yeah, let's make sure the small and big one they go together. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Now we make sure the top already, so we make sure this one go the correct one. The gasket here go to correct one. Okay, this gasket's go correct. Then we go. That's it. The gasket's here go correct one. And we go. Alright. This one right here in the bottom, right? You had to hold this one for the gaskets. It's a good one, so they don't move. Okay, like that. That's it. That's how the gaskets go. Okay. Yep. Perfect. Okay. It's perfect now. That's it. Okay, make sure this all the gaskets here go in. Yes. Yes. Okay. This one, yes. Okay, so that's it. This one you come in already, so we tied it. Okay. Yeah, bolt we put in here, two long one long one right here. Okay, this long one right here. Okay, one right here. Okay, and one short one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them in here, tied by hand. First tied by hand. Okay, we hand toward them 8 foot-pound, not 10. Yes, ready? Okay, let's go in here and do this one first. Okay, we hit this long one first. Here you click one. Click 2. Click 3, click 4, okay. 5, 6 bolt. Yeah. Click 6. Okay, so we got this one done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're done with that. Okay, now I'm gonna have to go electrics right here. And one electric from here. Had to go with this one. Lock it up. This temperature sensor. And this one the same. Had to go put the electric on. Sensor. Lock it up. Okay, now I had to put the air intake on this side. Okay, both sides right here. That's the air intake. I put this one in here. Okay, and I'll go ahead and put this one in here, and I'm going to tighten it. All right, gonna take it out. I take some bolt in there. I take bolt out first. And before you do that, use some little bit oil in here, or maybe gaskets, okay, like this. Put the gaskets, okay, so they can go in there easy. Yeah, this gaskets is okay like this. Gaskets around here. Okay, so they make sure they good. Gaskets here, so the air will not come out. You had an O-ring, but I want to make more gaskets in there, so both sides. Do it for both sides. Right here they had an O-ring, but I put more gaskets in, so it'd be good for no leak. Yeah, we got it. Okay, this one more a little bit. That's what it's little. Got it. Check, check, check. Okay. Now, now I put it in and I tied it. They have small bolt right here, so you will see. I take this bolt out. Okay, and another side I take the bolt out too. Right there. You see that small one, and I put it in and tie the bolt back. All right. Okay, let me put in and tie it. Okay, let's put this one in. Okay, both sides. Make sure the hole in there go correct when I'm right there. 1 and 2 here. Okay, make sure the hole in there correct one, and we can go ahead from there. So we got it. We don't have it. Okay, like that. One like that. Both inside tight. Okay. So there. This one will stay here. Okay, so we'll tie this bolt up. Tie this bolt up. Water pump, we're done. Okay, so we gotta do this one. Alright. We'll tie this one up. By hand first. Put the bolt in there. Tie the hand by hand first. Make sure it works for you. Try it. Okay. Alright. Okay. Put in already. Right. And now you have to put the holes, air holes. Go to this one. Air holes. This air hole going to the solenoid right there, and this one put it back to this one. Okay, like this. This one air hole back there. Click. 1, 2, 1, 2 air hole back already. Okay, so we done this. Okay, so we've done this one, and now we had to come on ready. Okay, we done this. Make sure it's nothing drop in there, so cover with the towel. Okay, don't make something drop in there, so cover with this one, and this one the same too. Cover it. Anything drop in, so I'm going to skip this one like this. Okay, then we done this water pump. We're done with the intake hole, air holes. We're done with AC. We're done with alternator. Okay. Okay, so now we put the tensioner and the crankshaft, pulley, and belt. Okay, put the one back. Okay, we'll see. Let me check everything before we install this pulley in, or tension or belt. Check everything. White check, sensor check, water pump sensor check, diamond die check, solenoid check, send check. Okay, oh, this one, okay, this one go to here. You had to install this one in there. See that one right there? Put the one in, clip it right here. Okay, this one right here. So we had to install this one. The clipper right there, and we put in there. That's it, and we're good to go. You can hold that. See the hole like that. And air check, tie check, alternator check. Okay, connection check. Okay, check. This one they hold for something. Make sure everything before you put the pulley in. Check. Tight one check. Check. Water pump check. Air check. Power steering check. AC compressor check. Power steering check. Water pump. I need to install this one. Yeah, there we go. Install this one right there. Okay. Then I have pulley here, tensioner here, everything. Then I put everything back. Alright. Let me install the pulley right there. Okay, I got the pulley installed ready. Okay. Water pump, tensioner and belt. And the pulley I may do the last one. And after that, after I get the oil paint cleaned up and put everything back, oil paint, and take out the key in the back, that's the oil paint, do the last one. Alright. Okay. Almost finished. Alright, look good now.